Anyone interested in a lesson on how global forces impact our economy, look no further than Memphis-based FedEx. The shipping giant is one of the most consequential companies in the world, and that speaks well of Memphis and is a testament to those who make FedEx the powerhouse that it is. But to borrow an old analogy, if the global economy sneezes, FedEx will very likely catch a cold, and that appears to be the case right now. FedEx Corporation reported far lower than anticipated earnings for the first quarter of fiscal year 2023, which ended August 31st. As a result, the company's stock shares fell 13% last Thursday. The bad economic news came after FedEx reported impressive earnings to end fiscal year 2022. But the downturn was swift and was caused by bad economic issues in Asia and Europe. So the company is now forced to close more than 90 FedEx office locations, reduce the frequency of flights, defer hiring, and reduce its Sunday operations at FedEx ground locations. None of this sounds good as the overall U.S. economy continues to struggle. But make no mistake, FedEx is still a business juggernaut with revenues in the multiple billions. It is Memphis's largest private employer, and it will be just fine. Still, it does show that the fate of our economy is impacted around the world. I'm Otis Sanford, and that's my point of view.